Hello and welcome to this how-to tutorial for the new lock feature. This enables you to lock components of the suspension as you're designing so you don't accidentally make any changes. Click on the parts icon, drag the lock up to the component you want to lock, and in this case it's the upright. You can see it's highlighted orange, and any movements you make don't have any effect on the dimensions and size of the upright. Now we're going to try and lock the lower control arm length and the lower control arm bearing. They can't accidentally make changes, and any changes to other parts of the design again won't have any effect on those dimensions. Then we're going to lock the upper control arm length and the upper control arm bearing. If we go and edit the jump dimensions within the form, you can see those that you've locked are disabled within the form, again to prevent accidental changes. We can lock the chassis, which is the last option currently, which allows you to only change the offset and the tyre sizes. There may come a time where you want to remove the locks, so you click on the parts icon again and then click on the list icon below that, and here you have all the locks listed. Lock of the upright, the lower control arm lock, the lower control arm bearing lock, the upper control arm lock and the upper control arm bearing lock, and the chassis lock.